Travel Lakeshore Drive while you're here. It's our Lakefront Expressway. Beautiful way to travel. Water on one side, buildings on the other. And that's the upper level. The lower level is also for traffic. We can walk across, cycle across. But look what they just adding now. Can you see this tiny little bridge walkway that raises here over to the bridge? That's called the Navy Pier Flyover. There's so you want to keep that term in your head. That's the first of 5 styles we're going to talk about this afternoon. I know it's a lovely Sunday just to go for a boat ride. Whatever pleases you. Postmodern reference here. The windows are similar to Louis Sullivan's whole top tower, modeled after the Butter Tower, Cathedral Royal, France. The little Henri 30 Wabash, and this is done by Nice, and the story goes it's his last building. They wheeled him here in a wheelchair in 1969, and Nice said, "Where's the plot of land?" His colleagues are quite sure you're on it. So it's a tiny lot, but elegant building. And it's his last. He passed that year, really opened in 71. There's the Langham Hotel and the offices. We've got something done by one of Nice's students, Bud Goldberg. Look at this, he liked the lessons more, not the glass box. These are not truly concentric, but they're circular. But more important, Goldberg wanted to keep people downtown. There's a flight to the Verb from Toronto out of New York. Speaking of the Kennedys, the Hineses, and other businessmen, look at this parcel right here. They call it Wolf Point. 3 tall structures fitting in here, what used to be basically surface parking. Talked about this in 08, then we had that slowdown, not much happened. Right here, the one we're going by is called Wolf Point East. 60-some stories of apartments right here in the center, which is under construction. This is really the south one, and it's called Sales